Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what is Walmart Plus on the Walmart app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're considering Walmart Plus. What actually is it and is it useful? So if we go into account and then click on Walmart Savings and then scroll down and click on Walmart Plus membership, you can essentially see all your Walmart Plus benefits. So with all these Walmart Plus benefits, I'd say the main thing that I personally like is that you get free delivery, free shipping, you can do scan and go, and you get various savings on different items. In addition to that, there are sometimes Walmart Premium Plus release items that are only available to Walmart Plus members. But there are also other benefits such as 5% cashback credit card, video streaming, auto care savings. But like I mentioned, there's a lot here, but the main ones that I use actually is scan and go, free shipping, free delivery. You also get Paramount Plus with their premium plan, and you also get gas savings. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what is Walmart Plus on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.